आमकां गोंयकारांक under-16 वर्ल्ड कप हाचे प्रोविजनल डिक्लेरेशन जेन्ना दिता तेन्ना खूब आनंद जाता. एका बरोबर दोन, एक under-16 वर्ल्ड कप, त्याच बरोबर AFC कप, हे दोन इव्हेंट एकाच बरोबर गोंयाक जाहीर केले, डिक्लेअर केल्ले आसा. म्हाका हो एक अत्यंत महत्वाचो क्षण गोंयच्या क्रीडा क्षेत्राच्या बाबतींत किंवा गोंयच्या ट्युरिजम सेक्टराच्या बाबतींत सुद्दां अत्यंत महत्वाचो क्षण म्हणल्यार अतिताय जावचें ना. 5 ठिकाणी जे आमचे प्रॅक्टीस ग्राउंड डेव्हलप जातले त्या खातीर सादारणसो 15 कोटी रुपया खर्च लागतलो. त्याचबरोबर नेहरू स्टेडियम ताजें थोडेशें रिफर्बिशमेंट आमकां करपाक जाय. ताज्या खातीर आमकां सादारणसो एक 15 कोटी खर्च येतलो आनी हो खर्च आमकां केंद्र सरकाराकडून मेळटलो.
The FIFA Under-17 World Cup India 2017 will be the most important football tournament ever to be held in India. Make no question about it. It will have 209 countries on the qualifying stage, 24 countries on the final stage. India will get a direct entry, its first direct entry after 87 years of World Cup to play on the event. It is watched on 209 territories. It is the first World Cup that India would not only participate, but the first World Cup that India would ever host. And we're right now giving provisional selections to venues that we feel are in the position to comply with all the requirements. Why a provisional selection? And I've been getting this question quite a lot. It's now in Goa's hand to ensure that there is a ratification by FIFA 1 year ahead of the tournament, meaning September 2016, that Goa will be ratified as a venue. Until then, from now until September 2016, Goa and all the other provisionally selected venues must comply with all the requirements, and we must work to comply with all the requirements.